Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for December 29, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:18 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:27 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. 1 hour before sunrise, Venus approaches Graffias, meaning the crab, that is part of Scorpius. The brilliant planet is less than 20 degrees above the horizon at this hour, and 4.1 degrees to the upper right of the star. Venus moves in front of Scorpius's stars on New Year's morning and passes by the star. Watch each morning as Venus continues to approach Graffias. The Scorpion reaches westward across the southeast horizon this morning. The creature takes about 2 more months to fully crawl into the morning sky. Antares, the heart of the Scorpion, is over 6 degrees above the horizon and about 12 degrees to the lower left of Venus. Farther westward, the bright gibbous moon, 94% illuminated, is about 30 degrees up in the west, casting its light across the landscape. The moon is in front of dim Cancer, about 15 degrees to the upper left of Castor and Pollux, the Gemini twins. Mercury and Mars are moving into the morning. Mercury moves much faster, approaching a nice morning appearance to the lower left of Venus during mid-January. Mars is slowly plodding eastward, but rising nearly 50 minutes before the Sun, while Mercury rises almost 20 minutes earlier. Both are dim and awash in morning twilight. In the evening sky. 2 bright planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are in the evening sky. Begin in the south-southwest with Saturn. The planet is over 30 degrees above the horizon at an hour after nightfall. It is slowly moving eastward in front of Aquarius, 8.9 degrees to the right of Skate, the Aquarian's leg, and the same distance to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. The planet is nearly 20 degrees to the upper right of Fomalhaut, that is slightly dimmer than the planet. Bright Jupiter is farther eastward at this hour, over halfway up in the southeast. The planet's retrograde ends tomorrow, resuming its direct or eastward motion. The planet is in front of Aries, 11.4 degrees to the lower right of Aries Hamel, and 14.5 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, part of Cetus. The planet is west of an imaginary line between the stellar pair. During the next several weeks, watch Jupiter close in on that line. The gibbous moon, 90% illuminated, rises 3 hours after sundown. 2 hours later, about time Saturn sets, it is nearly 25 degrees above the east horizon. Still in front of Cancer's dim stars, the lunar orb is over halfway from Pollux, halfway up in the east, and Regulus, Leo's brightest star, that is nearly 10 degrees above the horizon. Jupiter is south about an hour before Saturn sets. The Jovian giant sets in the west about 5 hours before sunrise. Tomorrow morning, the moon is in the west, when Venus gleams in the east near Graffias. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.